What's up mga pops? We will do this stretching exercise to enhance our flexibility. So the first thing we need to do is to try to measure how far we can reach out. Of course, just take our time to really ensure this is how far we can go. So pagkatapos natin ma-measure yung distance na kaya natin, we will lean on the side. But instead of focusing on stretching our legs, we will focus on stretching our upper body on the outside by reaching all the way around you. And then we will take two deep breaths, then come up and switch sides now. So tandaan lang natin, this is not about stretching our legs. This is about stretching our upper body by reaching over the top and feeling it over from here all the way down. So two deep breaths again and then we'll come up. And then pagkatapos natin mag side stretch, try ulit tayo mag front stretch and see if there's a change in our flexibility and if we can reach further down. Yan lang.